Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Shut power if water reaches outlets because safety is priority. Once safe, remove furniture and lift rugs, place items in a dry area. Use buckets and a wet/dry vacuum to extract standing water, working from the farthest corner toward the door so you don't re-wet cleaned areas. Make sure to squeeze mops and empty buckets frequently. This speeds progress and prevents spread. Moving quickly reduces seepage into walls and flooring, which limits damage and mold risk. Once standing water is gone, you focus on drying. Open windows and set up fans to create airflow. Place a dehumidifier in the room to pull moisture out of the air and materials. If water got under baseboards or flooring, remove trim or drill small weep holes so trapped water can escape. Lift carpet edges and prop them to let the padding and subfloor dry. Use a moisture meter to track progress. Make sure to keep the room ventilated until readings return to safe levels. To finish, sanitize all hard surfaces to kill contaminants and prevent odor. You should wear gloves and ventilate while cleaning. Inspect drywall and insulation. If panels feel soft or a moisture meter shows high readings, cut out and replace them to stop mold growth. Once materials test dry and there is no lingering smell, reinstall baseboards and return furniture, making sure to raise items off the floor briefly. If mold appears or odors persist, call a professional remediation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.